Welcome to Burn Down's Country Kitchen. Today we're going to get after pull apart chicken teriyaki spring rolls. That's right, pull apart chicken teriyaki spring rolls. It sounds good, doesn't it? All right, let's get after these ingredients. Okay, these are some basic ingredients. We have our cheese, we have our chicken, we have our spring roll wraps, red onion, and some very teriyaki sauce, which I am not sponsored by them at all, but I will use this stuff over anything else. It is that good. All right, let's get after this. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is do some nonstick on this. Just a sheet pan with some foil. I'm not gonna even season the chicken because the teriyaki sauce will do all of that for us. We're not gonna need to worry about it. Okay. Go ahead and cook it all. Why not, right? And I'm just going to throw a little bit of water on the bottom of the pan just to keep it moist. I don't want it to dry out really. All right, and I got my oven set at 425. And when the chicken is about 165 internally, we'll go ahead and pull it and shred it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and cut some onions. I'm going to go ahead and do these at an angle. Like that. I want them pretty thin. Pretty thin. Let's see. Let's not forget they're going to go inside a spring roll, right? I'm not chopping them. Chop that. We don't need it. Basically, these little slivers is what we're looking for. Nice little slivers. Okay, so go ahead and shred this. And you can leave them, you know, some decent sized chunks if you want. Doesn't have to be completely shredded, but we definitely want to get some shred on there. And I got me a foil bowl I made up over here. I'm just going to throw it in. I got a couple more stubborn pieces in the oven. They're a little thicker, so they're going to take a little longer to cook. So we'll go ahead and get this going. Right, now for the good stuff. Always shake your berry teriyaki up really good. Let's see. So we got our cooked chicken, shredded, very teriyaki. Go ahead and get that mixed in. Try not to tear up your foil bowl there. Man, this stuff's so good. And it can be a little wet, it's all right. And if you have a couple of pieces like this that's not quite cooked yet, close but not quite there, it'll be all right. We're gonna throw it back in the oven for a few more minutes, let all this get in there. And then we're also gonna be frying them. So again, triple cooked. Nice. Yeah, like that. So it's sitting in basically a bath of this, just loveliness. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on our sheet pan that we got sitting there. And I'm still at 425. I'm just gonna let it sit in there, 5-10 minutes. Definitely want those juices incorporated in there. So wraps. So you're always going to want it at an angle, right? The point coming at you, not squared at you. And then I'm just going to go ahead and lay a little bit of cheese in here. You can use shredded, you can use sliced, doesn't matter, whatever you want to use. All right? Throw some onion in there. Make it pretty. And of course, our teriyaki chicken. Look at that. And I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some shredded on top. Okay, so then we roll this one over. Kind of tuck it in a little bit. Get our sides over. Let's go ahead and tuck our sides in. That's what it is. Okay, you take it, kind of pull it back in, right? Get your finger wet, go along the seams, really good. That's what's going to keep it closed. Just like that. A nice roll. It's a little big. Probably make it a little smaller from here on out. But yeah, there we go. First egg roll. Another one here. At an angle. Got our cheese. Onion. We'll do a little less chicken this time. Some more cheese on top. Just like last time. And we'll go ahead and do it this way before it's all rolled. Tuck in our sides, fold over, pull back. And just roll. Just like that. Much better. We're ready to start frying. Frying some egg rolls. Okay, so when you lay them in away from you. Nice and slow. You just hope they stay together. That's all you can do. Hope you wrap them right and they can stay together. Egg rolls are simple, y'all. let's go ahead and pull these. Nice, right? Nice. That's real nice. Got our springform pan here. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some nonstick. Spray it real good, but do not want it to stick. Right. Okay, let's do this. Now let's use the rest of it. That's gone. You just want to line the bottom of cheese. Doesn't matter what kind. Just like that. Now we did an enchilada version of this a little while back, but I've been wanting some teriyaki chicken, and this just sounded like a great way to do it. Okay, so I'm going to take my egg rolls right here, cut them at an angle, just like that. Set them in there, right next to each other. Seam side facing the pan. Go. Just like that. I'm really looking forward to this, y'all. And then we got a surprise for my buddy Patrick. Shh, we're taking him to a baseball game. It's the local team, Florence Y'alls. If they're in the minor league, it'll be a good time. We'll really enjoy that. But it's always fun to surprise somebody, you know? That one's gonna be difficult. There we go. Alright. Stay there, buddy. That meat back in there. Put that one in there. Alright, the outer layer is done. Go ahead and work on the inner layer here. Man, I'm fired up. I usually am, but it's gonna be good. Man. It's a little hot still. Well, not a little. They just came out of the fryer, so they're good and hot still. If you got one that's stubborn and just wants to keep leaning, just turn it over. You can lean the other way, it'll be all right. Go. Probably fit another one in right there, I'm thinking. Right here. Yeah, just like that. So good. All right. Some stuff out of the way. So now, go ahead and put a bunch of cheese all over it, all the way through the edges and all the cracks, crevices. cheese helps bind it together. You definitely want that. Nice. Of course, I got a little Parmesan here. Help add with the color. Look at that. Beautiful. Go ahead and throw some of these on there. Presentation, right? Gonna have all that cheese getting away. Okay, finally, just gonna add some parsley for some color. Could do fresh. I'm out of fresh. We will do powdered. All right, I'm just gonna put this in the oven. It's still at 425, just until the cheese melts, and we're good to go. All right, y'all, it's that time again. Do me a favor. Like, share, subscribe. If you have not hit that button yet, please take a second. Doesn't hurt you at all and it helps me a lot. And if you like any of this content or even hate it, it don't matter. Go ahead and click that button for me. Show some support. And enough with that stuff. Let's get to the food. All right, let's pop this off. Took it out, let it rest a second. Still good and hot though. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Actually, it's beautiful. It's a thing of beauty. Come take a look. Okay, let's get after this taste test. Go ahead and break one off from the herd here. Look at this. Look at that. Cheese pool. Man, look. Chicken teriyaki pull apart egg rolls. Hot. I'm here to tell you, and like the teriyaki, the very teriyaki, there's nothing like it. There's nothing like it. I have not found any other that even comes close to that. I've even made my own because this is so good. I also do my tri-tip with this. It's so good. I did a video. Go ahead and see that. That was really good. Yeah, we're gonna get after this. We got that baseball game here in a little bit. So we'll go ahead and pound our dinner lunch. I'm gonna go have some good old fashioned fun. But that's gonna do it for us. Hope you liked it. Cook something, cook anything. Cook, pull apart chicken teriyaki, egg rolls, spring rolls. Why not, right? It is good. It's the end of spring, going into summertime. It's just good. All right, y'all. Hope you liked it, and till next time.